welcome to Anjali's Bake Affair. Pasta is now one of the world's favorite foods and it is so varied. Today I'm going to be making a pasta dish which is known as lasagna. Yes, this pasta is sheet pasta, meaning it's flat sheets of pasta. It looks like this. These are the lasagna sheets and it comes in boxes that look like this. So the sheet pasta is actually layered with sauces and vegetables or meat minces, whatever you like. So I'm going to make this today. Before we start, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Anjali's Bake Affair. So now let's get started.
What we need is lasagna sheets, some white sauce or bechamel sauce, red sauce, the pasta one, diced vegetables of your choice or your choice of meat mince, chicken mince, seasonings, some cheeses and mozzarella for the top. The recipes for both the white and the red sauce are there on my website and on my YouTube channel as well, or you can use ready-made sauces.
So what we're going to do is we'll make a bechamel or a creamy white pasta sauce and a tomato based red pasta sauce, and then we are going to layer all these things with these lasagna sheets and lots of vegetables. And as I said, you can use your favorite meats in this too.
So the first thing that we're going to do is we'll heat some olive oil in a pan, and in that we'll put in our vegetables, saute them well. As I said, you can use any of your favorite meat mince, chicken mince, shredded chicken also, and any vegetable that you like. Cover them up and let them stay covered till they are cooked. Now we're going to add in the seasonings in them and our tomato based pasta sauce. So now this is our filling absolutely ready. Let's keep it aside. Now another thing that we need is the cheese. Yes, that's very important for our lasagna. So here I'm using a combination of processed cheese. The other is mozzarella cheese. You can use Gruyere, you can use cheddar, you can use whatever is available, whatever you like. And some of the mozzarella I'm going to reserve aside. Okay, now one very important thing about these lasagna sheets I want you to know. That is, there's a pre-boiled version of these sheets and there's an unboiled version of these sheets. The pack will say that. If you're using the unboiled version, then you need to boil it in salted boiling water for about 4 to 5 minutes and then take them out and drain them completely and then use them in your dish. Otherwise, there's always the danger of them not cooking properly. But if you're using a pre-boiled version, like the ones I'm using, you do not really need to boil them yourself at home. Now here I've got this oven-proof bowl which I'm going to use. So I'm going to begin with the white sauce. You can begin with the red sauce. Here goes a layer of this. Let me tell you one thing about these lasagna sheets. If you're using these sheets unboiled like I will be using, then make sure that you water down or thin down your sauces a little, because that will make it easier for them to get cooked while in the oven. And if you have boiled them, then you can just use thick sauces. So once I've layered this white sauce, I'm going to layer the lasagna sheets over it and then a layer of my vegetables in this thick, yummy red pasta sauce. Over that goes this combination of the cheeses. You can go as generous or as stingy as you want here. Then another layer of the lasagna, followed by your sauce. So this is how we'll keep on layering the sauces and the lasagna sheets and the cheese till we are at the very end. And top it up with one of the sauces. I'm topping it up with the red sauce. And then this is the mozzarella cheese that we had reserved earlier. I'm going to generously cover the entire surface of my lasagna bowl with this mozzarella cheese. And into the oven it goes for about 20 minutes. That's the time it will take for everything to mix together very well. And then I'm going to broil it for about 10 to 15 minutes at 200 degrees because I want that top cheese to melt and become a yummy crispy golden. Wow, look at that cheese bubbling inside. Oh, that's so tempting. So time to get it out. It's hot, so be careful. Let me cut into it and show you a piece of it. Look at that. Can't wait to taste that. So go ahead, go and make this lasagna. Tell me how yours turned out. If you make it, do post the picture of your lasagna on Instagram, tagging us at Anjali's Bake Affair. I would love to see your creations. So till next time, bye-bye and enjoy.